Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to recover deleted Telegram videos or restore deleted Telegram videos. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, I can delete some Telegram videos and then I can easily recover or restore. So first of all, I can delete some Telegram videos and then choose clear history. You can see in this time I can delete or clear some Telegram videos, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Telegram videos. So let's see how to do that. So minimize it and go to my Google Play Store. File recovery photo video. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it. And in this time you can choose and open videos instant recovery. Click on it. In this time I can choose first option, scan all videos. Scan completed. Videos found 576 and then folders found 15. Next option, click on it and then open Telegram. And in this time I can easily recover or restore my all deleted Telegram videos. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, you can choose and select it. You need deleted Telegram videos and then click on it. Click here. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted Telegram videos, so let's see. And then select all, click on it. Recover, click here. Recover successfully and then view, open it. And in this here, recover or restore my all deleted Telegram videos. And then click on it. Share. And in this time you can share your recover or restore deleted Telegram videos anyone. And remember, you recover deleted Telegram videos save in this here. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.